How to scan a QR code in the Nike app. First things first, um, scanning QR codes in the Nike application actually allows you to view the detailed product information such as checking sizes and colors and access exclusive offers or authenticity details. Now, that specific feature on the Nike app may actually be depending on the country or region you're in. So if there's now, for you to be able to have this feature, the very first thing that you want to do is ensure that your Nike application is updated to the latest version. Go into the App Store and update your app. Now, the camera icon usually located at the top right-hand corner of your screen if your country or region is eligible to use this feature. Simply open it up and allow all necessary details to use your camera accessibility and then just scan that QR code in. That is how you scan your code in the Nike app.